What's up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. I do everything over here. I do anything creative I do on this channel: singing, fashion, makeup, hair, nails. It's whatever you want, and everything is here for you. If you like it, please subscribe. I am doing the Morphe x Coca-Cola collaboration. These are the colors right here. It's very cutesy. It's very nude. It's not vibrant colors like bright colors. So you can use this as your everyday, because then you have your shimmers here, which is like, you know, just a pop of color. If you want to see how I got this look, then let's get right into this video. So it came with a palette. This is a cute palette. I got a new camera, so bear with me. I don't know if it's blurry. I'm trying to make sure it's not blurry, but I'm looking at it and it's looking like it's good, but I don't know. And then it came with mascara and lip glosses and brushes. So I definitely brought the whole set. And nothing but the set. Alright, so it was like, if you buy everything all together, you pay $49 when the value is $79. So I just got all of them together. But by itself, the palette is $22. The brushes is $26, which values at $47. Why, I don't know, when you only get 5 brushes. Insane. And then the Coca-Cola, the mascara is $12, and the lip glosses is $19. This is crazy how the brush set is way more. I guess because of this plastic thing. Like, we could do without this plastic bag. But yeah. Anyway. Alright. Let me stop acting a fool. Look like an IG model. Walk with a water. Alright, I love the packaging design, how it's like the old school Coca-Cola. Alright, so I'm going to use my P. Louise base, you know, for the eyelid. Why they don't have red in here? I'm so confused why they don't have red in here. Because red, you know, is part of Coca-Cola. Alright, so these 5 brushes. Smells like Coke, or am I bugging? I think I'm gonna go into Oh Honey, which is this like orange shade right here. So I'm gonna put it in the outer. Put it on the whole thing, I guess. So I do have the 3 palette giveaway. I was gonna add more stuff to it, but I had those palettes for probably a couple months now. Probably like 2 months, so I need to give that away. So if y'all want to enter the giveaway, please do. Alright, so then I'm going to go into Warm Fuzzies, which is this nice brown shade right here. And put that on the outer crease using the same brush. Oh, that looks nice. That blends really nicely together, which is crazy. I'm gonna go back to Oh Honey and, you know, blend it all together right here, because I don't want that color to go missing. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so then I'm gonna go into Total Unity, which is this color right here. I'm gonna go into Lovely Dollies and put that all in the inner crease. This is pretty. I'm not even gonna hold you. This is very pretty, and I'm loving it. I love it. Alright, so let me just, you know, blend up here so it won't look so harsh. I'm thinking if I should do a red liner or a black liner. And of course my eyes want to tear. And I'm trying to take these pictures. Hopefully, if I do get these pictures, I will insert it at the end or the beginning, however, you know, may you. But hopefully they come out right, because my nose running, eyes tearing, And I probably got makeup up my nose. Anytime I have makeup up my nose, my eyes starts to water. I don't know how makeup get all the way up there, but it just does. And it's like, girl, did I sniff you? Am I sniffing makeup coat? Didn't even use the mascara. Let me use the mascara. I love the red packaging. That's what I'm saying. Why wasn't it red inside of the palette? I'm loving this mascara packaging. I really feeling like I need a smaller brush. Ooh, that's pretty, child. Of course, it wants to tear. The total unity underneath. All right, so which lip are we going to use? They have 4, which is all the feels of hope, perfect world, join voices. Voices. Yeah, so these are the 4 right here. I think I'm gonna use this one. This one. No, I'm not gonna use that one. As you can see, that's like, it's very pink. What I'm gonna use. This one is Join Voices. And the next one has glitter in it, which is Perfect World. I love the cute little packaging. This is also pink too, but I feel like it has glitter in it. So that I'm not gonna use. I'm probably gonna use this orangey one, which is Full of Hope. They all have glitter sparks. So probably that one I'm gonna use. And then this last one is All the Feels, which like is a plum color. I mean, it's a lip gloss anyway, but I want the gold to stick onto something. So let me get that Fenty. You try to pack on here. Yeah, so the gold is finished. Let me set my face. I feel like I'm running out of this. I need more. Let me use my all-nighter too. There we go. Ooh, I'm gonna put more gold highlight on my cheeks. So this is the finished look. I'm very happy with this look. I got my earrings in, my rings on, my bracelet, and yeah, living my life like it's golden. The inner corners of my eyes is kind of tearing and making the lashes come up, but I'm trying to do these quick pictures. Hopefully they come out right. Like I said, I will insert them at the end. And if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace.